Candy paint with the white on top. Lambo doors or the woo-up drop. If you busy plotting on what I got, kick in your door, that's what you thought. $100,000 on the tabletop. Half price my whip, same price my watch. Got no jumper, but I ball a lot. Bitch on your stony, I do it out.
What's up, guys? So unfortunately today I just broke something on the GTO. Let me show you guys real quick. So yeah, my window doesn't go up. It could be the regulator, I'm not sure, but it's about to rain. As you can see, my door panel's kind of messed up. I have another set in the shed. I'll put it on later on, not right now. But we're gonna start off by removing the door panel. Haven't done this in a while, so see how that goes. I remember there's 3 screws here. I have to take off this piece, and there should be some more underneath. And then there's some here and right there. Door panel is off. Trying to see what the problem might be. And then I came across this. The plastic right here is broken. I'm pretty sure that might be the reason why. As you can see, it just started raining, so I had to hurry up and cover the car, and I'll continue this tomorrow. So today's a new day. Let's see if we can get this thing fixed. So the problem is definitely the window regulator. I got it off, but everything's all fucked up. The plastic broke right there. I'm about to head to the junkyard and see what they have over there. So I'm currently at the junkyard and I came across this Stealth. Let's see if it's messed up or not. Power windows. Okay, I'm gonna try to take this off. So I got the window regulator out. Let's just hope it works on the right-hand drive car. So I just got back to the house. I compared the two. They look identical, so it should work. So I got everything in and mounted up. I just plugged in the window switch. Now let's see if it works. And then on my GTO, I have a auto like window up and down. I wonder if that works as well. All right, moment of truth. Okay, this is the auto down. It works. It fucking works. Now I just got to put the door panel back on, and then maybe time for a wash. So everything is put back together. We're gonna try and look at it one more time. Yep, fixed. And look at those. All right, I gotta scrub. So that's gonna wrap it up for today's video. Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks.